Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave, little Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. Well, we made it through the night, and we're kind of in this weird blizzardy thing. It turned to freezing rain. It rained and snow all night, and then it turned to this freezing rain this morning. And now we're getting like a blizzard condition. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Got the old toque on. Thanks, Remy. But it's absolutely terrible. It is cold. It is windy. Like, there's branches coming down. Now, I made it through the night okay. I parked high ground. It rained, but it didn't take the snow away like I thought it would. I thought it would be taking a lot more snow away, but it just didn't. Yeah, and I was honestly shocked about that, because I figured it was going to do that. Sorry, I'm just trying to clear my windshield. With hardly any heat, like, I have to set it idle so it builds heat to clear everything. I got things I got to do today, so I got to hit the road. Anyway, I'll show you what I see as I see it. Well, the blizzard kind of stopped, but we just had a bout of freezing rain just a couple minutes ago. Whoa, and it is just plain nasty out. I love it. Well, that got my heart pumping. I'm driving along, and it's just like a whiteout. And you know what? I looked over at my camera, and I'm going, what is that flash? And it was a police truck blocking the road. You could not, the only reason I saw it is because of the camera. And I was on my brakes like you would not believe. I just laid on the horn, and I told him, I said, listen, I said, I didn't see you to the last second. I said, if I was you, I wouldn't be sitting in that car, because he's going to get, and I can't see anything. He's going to get hit so bad if he doesn't watch it. I hope he's careful out there, because it's a disaster. Turn on my four ways. I can't see. This is terrible. See, I can see something through the lens, but okay, now I can see a little bit, but I can hardly see anything. It's amazing how I can see with this camera. Oh, look at the trees here. All the power's out in this area. There's no lights or anything working. Can't see. This isn't good. Well, that wasn't good. Woo-wee! This is... tried to warn him. Woo-wee! Woo! So I went out and I couldn't even stand in this. I tried to take Abby out and the wind is so strong, I was getting pushed over like it's icy, so I'm getting pushed over all over the place. So I said, forget this. I jumped back in the van, and I don't know if you probably can't notice it, but the van is getting pushed around all over the place. So I think I'm going to pull the van towards the trees and put the back towards the wind and hunker down for the night. It's really, really bad. The roads are just, they're just ice. It's just solid ice. I haven't seen, there's trees down, as you saw, there's trees down, there's power wires down. I'm just to a point where I think it might be beneficial for me just to park the van and just call it a night, because, and I'll be fine. Like I got, my gas is full. I got a can of gas in back. I got lots of food. I'll run this, do a couple hot water bottles. I'll be all set. And Abby will keep me warm because she's a good girl. Oh, I know you're a good girl, aren't you? She is a good girl. She's just wonderful. She just, no matter what, she doesn't care if it's snowing, raining, whatever. She's just happy. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd share this day with you. It is a disastrous day, and I guess we're getting the blizzard, so it's pretty well. I feel like I'm gonna get seasick trying to sleep tonight. Anyway, guys, you have a great day. Be safe on the road.